Hey, good morning, everybody. We're back in the woods getting firewood. Found this little area with some downed trees in it. It's actually my second load for the day. We've already come in here and took a load off of this tree. And I'm going to cut the rest of that one up. Got this little one here if we need it. There's a big one over there, the top end of this. But they're not far off the road. You can see the road right there. Should be fairly easy to cut and get loaded and get out of here. So just wanted to jump on here and say good morning, and we'll update you in a few. Thanks for watching.
Now how do you turn it?
Hit the little square button.
I'll do one more there.
Got her all loaded. Now all we can do is get out of here and head for home. Thanks for watching, guys.